it's important to recognize that your system integrator is typically not going to be your silver bullet and the complete answer to what you need to make sure that your transformation is successful. Not only do you need internal resources, as we discussed earlier, but you also need to make sure that you are bringing the outside support to do the things that your system integrator does not do or does not do well. So this would include things like organizational change management, comprehensive organizational change strategies, and change tactics that work from a business transformation perspective is needed to augment the more core technology training type change management integration might do. Another example is business process improvement that oftentimes is its own stream within the project plan that should be managed by someone other than the system integrator. The system integrator or vendor might be providing you the technology to enable the process improvement, but ultimately it's up to you to roll those process changes out to the organization. A couple of other examples would be the overall system architecture and how the systems are going to tie together. You might have a core ERP system, for example, that needs to connect to a customer relationship management or a sales automation system, a human capital or an HR system, or a warehouse management or supply chain management system. Whatever it is, you're going to probably need some sort of integration between systems who needs to define that system architecture. And then finally, another example is data migration. Typically, clients are responsible for cleaning, mapping, and migrating data from their legacy system to the new system. The software vendors and the system integrators might be the tool set or framework on what to do, but ultimately it's up to you to do that. So typically what you can do is find a provider to assist with that data migration strategy. So these are just some of the things to think about as to the overall plan and what the strategy is. Make sure it's aligned with who you are as an organization and what your goals and objectives for the project are. And make sure you augment the system integrator with all the activities that need to support the overall transformation.